Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The action camera market is heating up, with new leaks and rumors fueling excitement among tech enthusiasts. Recent reports suggest that DJI is working on its first ever 360 degrees action camera, possibly named the Osmo 360. This development could pose a serious challenge to GoPro, the long-standing leader in the action camera segment. However, GoPro appears ready to respond with the much-anticipated GoPro Max 2, the next generation of its 360 degrees action camera. Fans are eager to see whether GoPro can maintain its dominance or if DJI will shake up the industry with its entry. A well-known leaker, Quadro News, recently shared leaked images of what is believed to be the GoPro Max 2 on the social media platform X. The images suggest several notable design changes, including modular construction and improved cooling features. These enhancements aim to address some of the common complaints about the original GoPro Max, which faced overheating issues and lacked flexibility in customization. One of the most significant design elements of the GoPro Max 2 is its lens configuration. Unlike the square or rectangular lenses found on other GoPro models, the Max 2 retains the rounded lens design of its predecessor. This choice ensures a full 360 degrees field of view, providing immersive footage for content creators, travel vloggers, and adventure enthusiasts. Another eye-catching change is the ribbed body design, which is expected to serve as an advanced cooling mechanism. Overheating has been a persistent issue with many action cameras, especially during extended recording sessions or in hot environments. With improved thermal management, the Max 2 could deliver enhanced reliability for long shooting sessions. The leaked images also reveal a small display located beneath the lens. This feature, similar to the original GoPro Max, allows users to preview their shots, adjust settings, and review footage in real time. While it's unclear whether GoPro has upgraded this display, rumors suggest that it may come with improved brightness and touchscreen functionality for a more intuitive user experience. Since its release in 2019, the first-generation GoPro Max has been well received for its 6K 360 degrees video recording capability. However, it was criticized for its limited low-light performance and overheating problems. With competitors such as Insta360 offering 8K video recording at 60 frames per second, GoPro needs to step up its game to remain competitive. The GoPro Max 2 is expected to introduce significant upgrades in resolution, frame rates, and image processing to match or surpass its rivals. One of the most intriguing rumors about the Max 2 is the possibility of a modular design. If true, this feature would allow users to swap out parts or attach accessories to customize their camera setup. For instance, users might be able to attach a larger lens for improved low-light recording or integrate an external microphone for superior audio quality. A modular approach would make the Max 2 more adaptable to various shooting scenarios, catering to both casual users and professional content creators. As for the release date, speculation suggests that the GoPro Max 2 could launch in late 2025. Although GoPro has not officially confirmed this timeline, the growing number of leaks has heightened anticipation. If GoPro successfully addresses the limitations of its predecessor while introducing cutting-edge features, the Max 2 could become a game-changer in the 360 degrees action camera market. Meanwhile, DJI is also making headlines with its upcoming action camera releases. The first images of the DJI Osmo Action 6 have surfaced online, indicating an exciting launch in early 2025. Although the exact release date is still uncertain, regulatory filings suggest that the new model could hit the market between March and June. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is expected to retain the 1,950 mAh battery capacity of the previous Action 5 Pro, ensuring consistent power performance. Regulatory filings with the Federal Communications Commission in the United States and Switzerland's SGS Authority suggest that DJI is preparing for a global launch. These documents confirm the name DJI Osmo Action 6, notably omitting the Pro label from the previous version. FCC filings often indicate that a product is nearing its release, further fueling anticipation among action camera enthusiasts. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is rumored to feature upgraded wireless connectivity, including Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi. This would allow for smoother wireless transfers and seamless pairing with mobile apps and accessories. Additionally, leaked documents hint at two possible battery options: 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. This suggests that DJI may release two variants of the Osmo Action 6, one with standard battery life and another with extended power capacity. If DJI does opt for a dual model approach, The higher-end version might focus on premium features such as enhanced video stabilization, extended recording capabilities, and higher resolutions. The standard model, on the other hand, could prioritize affordability and portability, appealing to a broader audience. Battery life is a critical factor for action cameras, particularly for users capturing long adventures or shooting time-lapse footage. Offering two versions could give DJI an edge by catering to both casual and professional users. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro was praised for its compact design, impressive image quality, and versatility. However, users noted areas that required improvement, such as low light performance and support for higher resolutions. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to address these shortcomings by introducing improved low light capabilities and higher frame rates. Enhanced night mode recording could make the camera more reliable in challenging lighting conditions, such as underwater shoots or nighttime action sports. Another area where DJI might push the envelope is image stabilization. While the Osmo Action 5 Pro already delivers smooth footage, further advancements could help the Osmo Action 6 stand out from competitors like GoPro's Hero lineup. Superior electronic and optical stabilization could attract more content creators looking for professional-grade action cameras. Leaks suggest that the DJI Osmo Action 6 will be unveiled in early 2025, with an official announcement likely in the first quarter. DJI has been known for its rapid product iterations, often refining features based on user feedback. Given the intense competition in the action camera market, DJI is likely to introduce compelling upgrades to stay ahead. The action camera industry is evolving rapidly, with both GoPro and DJI set to make big moves in 2025. The GoPro Max 2 has the potential to redefine 360 degrees action filming with its rumored modular design, enhanced cooling, and improved image quality. On the other hand, DJI's Osmo Action 6 is expected to bring next-level stabilization, superior low-light performance, and multiple battery options to cater to different user needs.